After 3 years of full-time traveling, there has been one question that we get asked probably the most frequently by you guys, which is how do we make money while traveling? So since we are officially in the new year, we thought now would be a great time to finally sit down and go over exactly how we do that and how you can do it too, so that you guys can use the information to finally chase after your own dream of getting paid to travel.
So there are 5 main methods on how to make money while traveling that we're going to talk about today, from the easiest to the hardest in our opinion.
We first started traveling together through our job, which was modeling. We were both fashion models, and with that job obviously comes a lot of travel, which actually brings us to the first method of making money while traveling that we wanted to talk about today, which is taking on freelance/remote work.
Obviously in our case we had modeling, but we've heard of so many different like job ideas and things that you can do while traveling.
Yeah, we've met people who have worked at a hostel, volunteered at like restaurants for the summer,
or photographers that have taken photos for hostels or hotels.
Yeah, teaching English is another huge one. These jobs provide you with the unique opportunity to meet new people, travel abroad, and make money while you do it. Also, typically with these types of jobs, you'll have a flexible schedule, so you have plenty of time to do some exploring and get to actually experience the city that you're in. So if this is something you'd be interested in checking out and looking into, we're gonna link a few resources in the description because there's so many sites that actually help with looking for these types of jobs. Everybody thinks it's impossible, but this truly is possible for you. We have personally met so many people during our travels that have had dream jobs and experiences like this, and all of their stories start pretty similarly with just like, I decided I wanted to do it, so I just went after it.
Anyways, with us we had modeling, and we did that for a while, a few years of traveling and making money that way, but then the pandemic happened, and because of that, work really slowed down for us.
So we had no work, no way of making money, and no creative outlet for ourselves. So we took some of the money that we had saved up to that point, and we bought a new camera, and we decided we were going to start a YouTube channel, as well as a joint Instagram account and a TikTok, and we were just going to start creating content and have a new way to express ourselves. We started building a little bit of an audience, but we weren't quite big enough to start making money on the platforms per se, but we did really need to figure out a way to make money so we could support ourselves while doing this lifestyle. And that's when we discovered the next method of making money while creating travel content that we wanted to talk about today, which to this day makes us $1,000 or more per month in passive income, and that is affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing is where you as the content creator are promoting some sort of product or service or activity, and when someone buys it, then you make a commission of that sale.
There are no actual requirements for making money in this method except for being accepted into the affiliate program of whatever brand it is that you want to promote. But we were able to get started right away, and you can too, using the sponsor of today's video, which is Travel Payouts.
Travel Payouts is an all-in-one travel monetization platform that empowers travel bloggers and creators to turn their blog into a rewarding business.
Trusted by 500,000 leading creators and top travel brands like Booking.com, Viator, and Get Your Guide, Travel Payouts streamlines affiliate programs to make them easier to manage. And the best part is Travel Payouts is great for both beginners and pros because there is no entry threshold requirements.
In 2022 alone, Travel Payouts paid $12 million worth of affiliates rewards to its creators.
You'll have a single wallet for withdrawing, which means that you'll quickly accumulate the amount of money needed to withdraw, since you can join different affiliate programs from different brands. And then you can withdraw money through convenient services such as PayPal or bank transfer.
Registration takes less than 2 minutes and is totally free. After that, you can apply for any of the programs that are relevant to your audience and content needs.
So just click the link in our description to get started. And on top of this, Travel Payouts gave us a promo code for you guys to use, which is JUANRHYLAN. Using this code will give you an additional $25 on your first payout as a new user of Travel Payouts.
Thank you so much, Travel Payouts, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into the third method for making money while making travel content, which is joining the YouTube Partner Program.
The Partner Program is YouTube's monetization program for creators on the platform. In order to be accepted into it, you have to reach a certain threshold of subscribers and public watch hours. Through this program, you get paid 55% of what YouTube makes in revenue for the ads that are played before, during, or after your YouTube videos. The amount of money that this ends up coming out to depends on a few variables, such as your audience demographics, the type of niche that you're creating content from, and how many views you get.
And for us, this averages around $1,500 per month.
That number may not be as big as some of you guys expected, but you have to keep in mind this is essentially free money because we were going to continue posting regardless.
Yes.
But then we got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, and all we had to do from that point forward was just keep doing what we were doing before. So this is just money that's now appearing in our bank accounts every month for doing the same thing we were doing before we got accepted into this program. It's pretty amazing, honestly.
Yeah, it is. It's so awesome.
It's the best monetization program of any of the social media platforms
100%.
by far.
The only downfall is that it does take a little bit of time to meet the requirements to get into that program. I think that you guys could probably meet it faster than we did. It took us 8 months.
Yeah, 8 months.
Some people it takes longer, some people it's like a month, so it all just depends how fast you grow.
Anyways, from that point forward, we were making pretty good money from being in the YouTube Partner Program, but we did have to continue supplementing our income with the modeling on the side because we weren't quite making enough to go full-time and support the lifestyle we were living off of just creating travel content until we started making money consistently through the fourth method we're going to talk about right now, which is brand deals.
Brand deals are where a brand pays a certain amount of money to a creator to promote their product or service on their social media. So it can range from all different types of brand deals on Instagram Reels or on TikTok or here on YouTube.
On YouTube, there are two main categories of brand deals that we have experience with. The first one being integrations, which you guys are probably the most familiar with. It's basically where a creator will speak about a product or service from a brand either in the beginning, middle, or end of a video, but surrounding that is the normal just video that they were making. For example, in this video right here, we just did an integration for Travel Payouts. And the other type of brand deal is dedicated videos where a creator will talk exclusively about that product or service for the entire duration of a video, and they'll actually plan that piece of content around that brand.
Brand deals didn't really start to come in until we hit around 10,000 subscribers, maybe even a little bit more. But they pay well and they work so perfectly for us as travelers because we can do them from anywhere in the world.
We will never forget the first brand deal that we got. It was a package of 3 videos for $300 per video, coming in at a total of $900, which now looking back is small. But in the moment we were like, we are getting paid nearly $1,000 to just do what we love doing, which is making these videos for you guys. Like, that is so crazy that you can just start posting videos on a platform and then all of a sudden you're getting almost $1,000 to do it. And as we have continued to grow here on YouTube and across our other platforms, our rates for brand deals have continued to grow as well. And now we can say that brand deals as a whole make up around 60 to 75% of our monthly income. In the name of full transparency, so that you guys can have a real tangible number to understand roughly what creators of our size are making off of brand deals, as of now we average around 2 to 4 brand deals per month across all of our social media channels, and that comes out to an average of around $5,000 to $10,000 per month alone on brand deals.
Obviously, once we started seeing numbers like that, we felt more comfortable to leave modeling and start focusing full-time on content creation. connection. Our advice to you is to not count on it happening right away, because it definitely didn't happen right away for us.
Yeah.
And to really focus on making a genuine connection with your audience and making content that you actually want to make.
Yes, because brands will come organically.
Yes,
You cannot
definitely.
force this. Do not force a brand deal. Your audience always needs to come first, and trust me, they can smell the inauthenticity from a mile away.
Yes.
A general rule of thumb would be, don't try to push a product to your audience that you wouldn't also recommend to a friend or family member.
And for the fifth and final method for making money while traveling, we wanted to speak about something that we plan on doing in the future but haven't done quite yet.
It's a dream of ours.
Yes, it is a dream of ours, and it is to make a product.
Whether it's physical or digital.
Exactly.
Such as making merch, an online course, or even an ebook. Think of creators like Emma Chamberlain with Chamberlain Coffee, Ali Abdaal with his online course, Part-Time YouTuber Academy, and Cody Ko, who constantly is dropping like amazing merch. This is great for multiple reasons, because not only is it a huge revenue stream, but it's also a way to make money from anywhere around the world, because you can do any of the things we listed without having to be in a physical location. And on top of that, it is providing extra value to your audience.
100%.
It's our dream to do it one day, and one day we will be able to make something of value like that for you guys. And to any of you who are watching who dream of one day doing the same, we completely believe in you, and you can do that too.
With all of that being said, that is all of the money-making methods that we wanted to cover today. We truly hope that this was of value to you guys.
And if it was, please be sure to leave us a like and comment down below.
Please.
And if you haven't already, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on all post notifications, because we have a ton of exciting plans and content coming up that you don't want to miss out on. Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you, and we will see you next time.
Yes.